So we're going to go with some sausages today, tomatoes, garlic, cream, some nice cheese in there, really nice, easy, what I call a midweek quick pasta dish. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you can use any type of sausage for this recipe, it doesn't matter what you're going to use. I've got these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these beautiful, big, fat pork and beef they are, with some Italian spices. And a little bit of chili. I think they're a little bit spicy, these ones. But yeah, just cook your sausages off, then we can move on. Okay, so there's my sausages. Cooked them, and I've just sliced them up into kind of chunky pieces. Okay, so look, there's our sausages. We've just done those. There's 1 can of tomatoes, regular size can, 400 ml can. That's a plum tomato. We're going to crush them down a little bit with our spoon as we cook. 1 cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, or oregano as some of you say. And here, my pasta, I'm using farfalle today. You can use any type of pasta you like. Get that ready and cooked, because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce here. So I cooked a packet of pasta, which they usually come like 500 grams. So I've used half of that. So it's 250 dried. I don't know what it weighs once it's cooked. Let's get moving. Okay, so you're going to need a skillet, pan, or a wok type thing that I have here. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil. If you wanted, you could use a different oil. We're going to drop that 1 cup of onion in. I've just put the heat on, by the way, which is on above medium, so it's fairly high. 1 tablespoon of garlic. While I'm here, I'm going to go some salt and some black pepper. And about 3 minutes, keeping it moving. So the onions and garlic are just taken. At this point, we're going to drop in our sausage. I mean, the sausage of choice, up to you, what you want to use. And I'm going to go with the chili powder and the oregano. And we're going to go on this kind of lively heat for about another 4 minutes or so. Again, I'll be moving this around quite a lot. So very easy, this one. We're going to take that 1 can of tomatoes and drop that in. And just with a spoon, we're going to break them down. And again, staying on this vibrant heat, we're going to go for about 5 or 6 more minutes. Really fabulous. Now that's getting nice and creamy now. So here I've got some cream. Now I've got thick cream. You can use thick or thin cream. It's not going to make any difference. This is 250 ml, or like 2 cups of, roughly, of the thick cream. But if you're using a runny type cream, no problem. And also I've got a cup here of a strong cheddar. This is a very, very strong cheddar. If you want, you could be putting in Parmesan or something like that. We're going to mix this around for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're going to add our pasta to this, and you've done it. You've got a really beautiful, easy sausage pasta. Fabulous stuff. Right, we're going to grab our pasta. Like I say, I'm using farfalle, penne, fusilli. Any pasta you like, really, you're going to work in this. So I've used some nice, decent quality sausages. And I've got a lovely, strong cheddar in there. You could obviously use any sausage you like and any cheese you like. Well, we're going to go just for about 3 or 4 more minutes. Now, if you wanted, you could pop this into a baking tray and get it in the oven, get some cheese on top of it and bake it off and serve it. We're going to go just like this. Nice, quick, easy, delicious stuff. And there you go. That is fantastic. Nice strong cheese in there. Beautiful sausages. Nice and easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe. Keep well. Hopefully, I'll see you soon. Lots of love.